Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Resplendent ocean view villa, inclusive of all appliances, fixtures and furnitures for sale. Experience the soothing sounds of the ocean as you relax in your new home. This property consists of 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms and half of an acre of land. On the ground floor, you will find 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, an entertainment area, bar, kitchen, living room, dining room, patio, and laundry area. The first floor comprises of 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, the main kitchen, living room, dining room, entertainment area, bar, and 2 terraces. Furthermore, the patio located to the rear of the property leads to a gazebo, which contains a built-in barbecue and overlooks the Caribbean Sea. The property is centrally located and facilitates ample parking. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 1.2 million or Jamaican $184.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.